In this PowerXL Air Fryer Grill review, I'm going to be giving you some insight into this unique cooking appliance that can help you cook in multiple ways with just one device and help you save on space and time in the kitchen, and yet provide delicious, tender and crispy food for all. Now, please make sure you watch this entire video as I'm going to go into the pros and cons of this cooking device. And at the end of the video, if you still want to get the PowerXL, I'll show you where to get it and for the absolute best possible price. So here's the pros. This is the most versatile air fryer, oven and grill on the market with 8 kitchen appliances in one. PowerXL presets include the cooking modes grill, air fry, rotisserie, bake/pizza, broil, sear, toast, reheat, or grill/air fry functions. The air fryer allows for grease-free cooked food. This allows you to eat all your favorite fried food products without the unnecessary fat, which is much better for your health long term. And apart from the versatility of this cooking device, is the main reason why people love this product. The manufacturer says it's possible to cook your food with 70% fewer calories using the PowerXL. With up to 450 Fahrenheit cooking temperatures, the high-density grill pan with high-speed superheated air circulation around all sides of your food helps create super tender meats with a very crispy exterior for added deliciousness. So what about the cons? The main con with the PowerXL Air Fryer Grill is that it can be a little noisy. Some reviewers found the PowerXL to be loud while in use. And if you're looking for super quiet cooking, then this may be a little annoying. However, if a little noise while cooking is not a problem for you, then this air fryer grill combo with all the pros will likely be worth buying. Overall, the PowerXL Air Fryer Grill Combo appliance is a great space saver and packs excellent cooking ability all around into one single device. It's reasonably priced for what it does, and cooks a large variety of different foods with different cooking methods to create many delicious meal choices for you and your family. Now, if you want to get the PowerXL Air Fryer Grill for the best possible price, and you're currently watching this video on YouTube, then simply click the link below this video in the description, and you'll be taken to the best place to purchase it. Now, if you can't see the link in the description, you can also enter the following URL into your browser, corysreviews.me/PowerXL. Thanks for watching this PowerXL Air Fryer Grill review.